At a beet processing plant in Uzbekistan, two EPCB 3T or H gas-fired steam boilers have officially entered the installation and commissioning phase. For this project, we documented the entire process at the client's site, offering you an up-close look at the core configurations and professional services behind EPCB boiler systems. As the core of the entire steam system, the EPCB gas-fired steam boiler features a 3-pass, wet-back structural design. Its large-diameter corrugated furnace tube increases the heating surface area, effectively enhancing heat transfer efficiency and operational stability. An optimized flue gas flow design lowers exhaust temperatures, thereby further boosting the boiler's overall thermal efficiency. The boiler is equipped with an intelligent PLC control system, enabling one-touch startup, automated operation, and real-time monitoring. Waste heat from the flue gas undergoes secondary recovery via an economizer, effectively raising the feedwater temperature and reducing energy consumption. High-efficiency feedwater pumps ensure a stable supply of water to the boiler, guaranteeing continuous and steady operation. The deaerator effectively removes dissolved oxygen from the feedwater, thereby mitigating the risk of corrosion within the boiler system. EPCB provides a water treatment system designed to effectively reduce water hardness and impurity levels. The boiler is fitted with a clear and intuitive water level gauge system, allowing on-site personnel to monitor the boiler's operational status in real time. The feedwater tank provides stable storage and regulation of boiler water, ensuring the system's continuous supply requirements are met. From equipment installation and piping connections to system commissioning, the EPCB engineering team provides professional technical support throughout the entire process. Moving forward, EPCB will continue to leverage its professional expertise, high-quality products, and comprehensive services to help the global food industry achieve more efficient, energy-saving, and safe production operations.